Good morning. Let's talk today about ARMD or age-related macular degeneration or AMD as we commonly call it. That is a very serious and important disease of the retina of the eye. It is a disease that affects the center part of the retina, the macula as we call it, the center part which is responsible for most of the vision, the central vision of the person. This generally occurs after an age of 60 years. As the name suggests, it affects the macula of the retina, the macula which is the most important part in the vision formation of any person. Now, the earliest symptoms can be anything. It can be seen blurry, it can be seen dark in the center, it can be a scotoma in the center, it can be seen lines not straight, and which we call as dysmetamorphopsia, and seeing objects smaller than normal, seeing objects larger than normal, not able to read properly. Unfortunately, most patients they do not notice these small symptoms and report to the doctor only when the central vision is largely affected. No, all the patients are not affected equally, largely because there are two forms of ARMD. One is a dry form and one is a wet form. In the dry form, there are only yellow spots which are seen clinically, which we call as drusens, and they do not affect the vision too much in the initial phases, but in the later stages, the retina might get thinned. Now, dry ARMD generally precedes the wet form. The wet form is the one which is dangerous and requires immediate early treatment because it can potentially harm the retina permanently. In the wet ARMD form, as the name suggests, there is formation of new vasculature under the macula or the retina. Now, that abnormal vasculature releases some fluid and hemorrhages, blood, which gets collected at the point and causes the macula to deform and damages it permanently. This causes massive vision loss. Now, this requires very early treatment as soon as possible, treatment in the form of intravitreal injections. These injections are anti-VEGF injections which cause stoppage of the disease and help improve the vision. However, if it has already affected the center part of the retina, the vision does not come back to normal because generally there is a small scar formation which leads to a decrease in vision permanently. No, there are no eye drops which can help improve vision or treat this disease, as it's a retinal disease. Most commonly used treatment, as I mentioned before, are anti-VEGF injections, which help in the resolution of the fluid, hemorrhages, and stoppage of the disease, prevent the progression, improves the vision. There are also a different kind of there are also some lasers which are done in certain cases of wet ARMD. But the treatment of choice still remains these injections that I'm mentioning. For dry ARMD, observation for the development of wet ARMD is what is done. There is no treatment. We do put the patient on some regular antioxidants, which again prevent the progression of the disease in case of dry ARMD as well. There are different forms of injections which are available for the treatment, which will be discussed with you when you visit your doctor and you're diagnosed with the disease. All the injections are effective, but there are a few differences which will be explained to you by your doctor. The procedure of injection is pain-free. There is no pain involved. It's an operation theatre procedure. The eye is anesthetized with eye drops and the injection is given in the white area of the eye, which we call the sclera, and through that into the vitreous cavity. The injection works quickly and the action peaks at about 2 weeks, but the repeat injection has to be given at about 1 month's time for the effect to continue. The protocol generally followed is that 3 injections are given at a monthly interval, followed by as the patient requires. That varies upon eye to eye. How many injections will be required in a particular patient? It's very difficult to predict in the beginning, but yes, many patients require a lot of injections. Is there a way to prevent these diseases? Of course, as they are age-related, we cannot prevent them completely, but a good diet full of antioxidants, nuts, fruits and vegetables, and prevention of prolonged sun exposure are considered protective towards this disease. All in all, dry ARMD is not that harmful, but wet ARMD has to be caught in time and has to be treated early, otherwise it can cause a complete loss of vision.